How to change website link picture on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add or change your website social media link image into your Shopify settings. So what we're going to do here is to head over shopify.com, and then we need to prepare an image, or at least a, let's say, a cover to that specific reason. So we are going to type in here Canva. So I use usually Canva. You can use Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or whatever to prepare this image. So we are going to prepare here an image real quick. I'm going to add a cover. So the normally the recommended image size, we are going to check it right now. So I'm going to let you see here. In the meanwhile, can we change this image link? So we're going to click on online store after we have got the access to the admin dashboard, of course. Then we're going to click on preferences. And from here, we are going to have the preferences in here. So we are going to see the social sharing image. So this is the image that we are going to have. We are going to create a 1200 pixel by 628. So we're going to create here a custom size of 1068 pixel. We are going to create a new design. So we are going to make it here at least, let's say, very, very responsive. So we are going to have here some images. I think that I have already an image. Let's add this one and see. So I'm going to add this. So we are going to have here the margins, and I'm going to put it in here. Boom. So this is the image. Now I'm going to download my image real quick. So I'm going to get the perfect size here. So this is the confirmation of your size. We're going to click on download. But here we have the image, which is going to be uploading in just a few seconds. I have created this image, or I have found this image within Canva, of course. So I'm going to click on download real quick. I'm going to head over here and wait for the image to be downloaded. Then we are going simply to deposit the image in here. So it is going to be like that. So this is the image, or the, let's say, social media sharing image on the specific link. So whenever you are going to set up the link, or a link from your store, you're going to see this specific image, and it will be shown up here, the cover of your website, as this. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.